Hello everyone. I'm doing a Dino excavation kit. I was doing some stuff after like letter video. So we just got all these pieces over here. We already got.
So we were using this chisel, hammer, and paintbrush, and it wasn't getting the job.
It's not a paintbrush.
Oh, you're right. It's a fossil kit.
It's for dusting stuff off.
Yeah, paleontology. And then it wasn't getting the job done, so we took out...
These real dino bones. There's a note in these.
So we're using the DIY Junior drill. It's a real drill with real bits, and it's actually pretty awesome. It's got a flashlight on it. Careful, honey, watch your fingers.
If you go this, you want to see this?
Yep. So
It goes that way, and now it goes that way.
Ooh, it can go both ways?
Yeah, I do it that way.
Clockwise, counterclockwise.
There's two bones. And looks like we need to do some surgery on this little bone right
Some
here.
surgery, all right.
Looks like we need to dig over here. Boom. Look at all that does. Look at all the bones I'm finding.
You are finding lots of bones. I wonder what kind of dinosaur it's going to be.
Pterodactyl?
Maybe.
T-Rex?
Well, let's take a look at the skull shape. What do you think?
That's definitely a T-Rex.
I think you're right.
That's a T-Rex. Yeah, definitely a T-Rex. Yeah, T-Rex.
All right, leave the
Ooh,
bones
or
over there.
Dominus.
Oh, could be. Well, Indominus wasn't really real.
Yeah.
They made it up for the Jurassic Park movie.
Whoa. Don't do that.
Don't do that at home, kids. Let me grab his head. Ooh, yes, making progress.
Is this a Laphosaurus?
Oh, that funny head one?
A Laphosaurus? Don't try this at home, kids.
Well, you're trying it. Be supervised by an adult. And use a junior drill set like the one shown. This one is awesome. Although there are some really pointy bits here. You just got to be careful. Careful, honey.
Tail.
You might want to keep that down and I can hold it for you. Oh, this is the brunt of it.
What?
This is a big chunk of it.
Come on, big con, get out of here. I want you out.
Yeah, do all around it.
I want you to go. Go. Know what that means? Dinosaur? Yeah. It means it. I've been kind of for like 2 hours. Come on, get out, you dumb thing.
You want my help? I think you got it. After this, if you go under it like that, that should be enough to get it loose.
To get it loose, boy. Move that leg. Yeah, that's somewhere where you don't want to go. In the pee-pee.
Nope, definitely not.
We did surety on this time. Surety. I'm gonna throw this right out the window in 2 minutes if it doesn't come out.
Patience. You know where to drill? Drill on this side. Turn it around like that, and then drill over there.
It was coming out right there.
Yeah, there you go.
With surety yet. Now it should be loose. I need it. I need the tiny one.
Tiny bit. Oh, pointy bit.
We're changing the go, everyone.
That's right.
To this little guy. No. Boom, baby. Now I just need to go.
Chunks of flying.
Now I need a fat one.
I would go right here with it. Show me it. Put that one up right here with the pointed one, like that, right there, under it, so you can dislodge it.
Dislodge it. I was going like this.
There you go. Kind of like
That way.
there you go. You get it?
There you go. The leg.
Oh.
That leg. That leg. I need another thing. I need a fat one again.
All right, switching bits.
What? Let me see this.
Well, that's not pointy. Maybe like this one, pointy one.
I need a fat one.
Well, they're fat.
The one where's the other one I was using in the first place?
It was one of these. I put them over here.
So this one.
All right.
Ow.
Oh.
Really?
I'll get it.
Right. I just do this. Certainly. Alright, that doesn't do nothing. Alright. Back with another. Don't pop out on my hand this time.
Right. Watch your fingers.
Almost.
Yep. There you go. You almost got it.
He's moving that guy.
Tail.
This leg.
Oh, it's the leg.
It's not the tail. The tail already free. Look.
Yup.
And the leg stuck. See?
Yup.
So I need to dig over here, my brain says. My brain says I need to dig down.
Uh-oh.
What?
Dying? No?
It's just getting stuck.
Mommy.
How deep is this? I think I need to push that.
Let me see.
Don't run. I think I can do it. Stop turning the dinosaur.
Why?
Let's do that. I think my brain says I need to dig this way.
Just be careful holding it in your hand, Frankie. You're going to hurt your hand. Put it down. Yeah, see, just point the bit right there. Like right...
Whoa. I don't want to cut the dinosaur leg off.
No, not right on it. Like downward, right there, yes. That's it. Now, can you pull it? No, not yet. Go all around that leg, just how you were doing.
Right there. I think it's getting... So my brain says I need to dig this.
Why are you lifting it?
Come on.
Uh-oh. Looks
What?
like the drill might need a charging if it's going slower.
No.
Well,
No, it's getting like stuck in the...
maybe use one of these tools. Maybe that would help. And does this look like a fully complete dino, not a bone?
Yeah. Why does it look like that?
I don't know. Maybe there's a couple things in there.
I turn it. Mommy,
Yeah.
can you hold the chisel right there?
Yes, I can.
No hammer. Let's see.
This foot is proving to be very difficult.
Why just a foot?
Right? Just his foot. Right foot.
I'm ready to throw this out the window.
Want me to try?
Yeah. Let me go see my breakfast.
All right,
Doggy.
Faye. We'll be back.
We will be back. I mean, maybe.
We'll have the dino excavated.